What's up, guys? Rick Seitz here at GMEFI Magazine. I'm standing here with this 95 Chevy Caprice Classic LT1 car, still with automatic. It's an old 9C1 cop car. So I'm actually in Three Pedals garage over here, and they have this car here, and it's sweet. It's packing 500 horsepower, engine horsepower. Looks stock, sleeperish. The only thing that's different on this car, cosmetically, are the Impala SS wheels. Otherwise, it looks like the same car your grandma drove to church on Sunday 20 years ago. But this thing is beautiful. It's real sharp, real clean. I just took it for a ride earlier. It's blown away. It's like the perfect daily driver. It's badass. I love it. I'm very, very intrigued. I want it for myself, to be honest with you. But can't have it, but you can. Apparently, this car's up for sale right now, but I think somebody will be lucky enough to take it home. I should have took you guys for a ride, and I should put my GoPro in it, but the thing's awesome, man. It rides real smooth, real comfortable to drive, real comfortable to sit in. You know, it's automatic. Obviously, most of these cars, all these cars were. Three Pedals does specialize in 6-speed conversions. The owner of this car didn't want to do it for whatever reason. One of the last of the full-size, rear-wheel drive, full-frame cars. After this, production 96, the only thing that was left was the Crown Vic and the Lincoln Town Car. So this is the last GM full-frame rear-wheel drive car that they ever made. It was 96, this is 95. But yeah, if you want to learn more, hit up Three Pedals. They're actually looking to unload the thing, and hopefully you can make a deal. Take care.